guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my fall 10 by 10. I have been really looking forward to doing this. Usually I split my 10 by 10 into two videos. The first where I show you what the items are, and the second a lookbook, but I have decided to combine the two into one video. So this video will probably be a little bit long. I'm just gonna show you the items now, and then from there I'm gonna go straight into putting the outfits together for you. So if that sounds good to you, I'm just gonna jump right into showing you what the items are. So I'm gonna start with my absolute favorite thing, the thing I've been wearing the most, even in the summer, and it's been hella hot. I have still been wearing this, and it's this amazing wool oversized blazer. So this is actually my boyfriend's. He got it custom made when he was in Vietnam. He got two suits custom made. It was a really good price for him. He does not wear them anymore. They don't really fit actually how he likes them to fit, because this was years ago, but they are so perfect for me. So I have this one and this gray wool, and then I have another one in navy wool. And so we're both excited about the fact that we were able to reuse something that he no longer loved and flip it to me, to my wardrobe, and it's become one of my favorite items. The next item I'm going to show you is this black and white striped shirt that I got from H&M like 3 years ago. I might have shown you this in a previous video, who knows, but this is one of the lucky items that made it with me to Sweden, because I got rid of a lot of my clothes when I moved here. I just really love this top. It's really soft. It has this little nice flounce on the sleeve. So yeah, it's a really cozy top that I just love to wear, and I don't know what else to say about this shirt beyond it's cute and I like it. The next item is some bike shorts. I did a video earlier, and I'm pretty sure you can find it. I'll link it somehow. I styled bike shorts. I believe I did 5 outfits, 10 outfits. I don't even remember, to be honest. But these guys have been on repeat, literally. Whenever I don't know what to wear, I just throw this on with a really cool oversized top or a blazer or a crop top. Literally, these have been my saving grace. These are gonna transition for fall. It's not that cold where I need to cover up all of my leg. As long as I have on a top, like a heavy top layer, I'm all good. The next item is something I borrowed from my boyfriend's closet. Again, I like to wear his clothes. We are actually the same size. It's just that he is extremely tall. He's 6'5". So all of his stuff, of course, is huge on me, but it's exactly how I like it. So this is just one of his dress shirts. It's like a plaid. You know me, I like to do typically oversized on top and slim on bottom. So that's exactly how I'm gonna rock this top. The next item, Lord, how do I have this on the hanger? Okay, this is just a wrap dress. It's a leopard print wrap dress. This is the back, but I'll just show it to you like it's the front. It's just a wrap dress, and it has a little bit of a frill hem. You've seen this before. I tried it on in one of my videos when I was styling wedding dress outfit, so you can see that there. I love this little dress. It's just so easy, and it's something I'm probably gonna keep in my wardrobe for a really long time because it travels well. It doesn't wrinkle. What the fuck? And so the good thing about this is, like in the summer, you can wear it with nothing underneath. You just wear it as a dress, and then in the fall, you can wear this with like a turtleneck, like I'm wearing now, underneath, or something on top. The next item is a black wrap top. This is just from some store here in Sweden, but I actually got this second hand. But I really love this top. It has an extra long string to wrap around, so I wear this a lot. I've been wearing this non-stop since I picked it up. Here is another item that you saw. So this was also from that sustainable haul that I did. This is a Vera top that I got from Åhléns, which is a store here in Sweden. This is just an organic cotton top. It has this really nice 50s feel. I love the shape of this. And then it has a tie at the bottom. This has also been on repeat. I have a photo of this on my Instagram, so if you're not following me at hometohem, you should start. The last item I'm showing you are some jeans. I did a video about sustainable jeans, and I just showed you, I believe, 4 pairs of jeans. So these were the winners. These are the only pair that I kept from that haul. This is a pair of jeans from Weekday. They are called Row, and so they are a high waist jean, loose fit, mom fit, and then of course a really wide leg. I freaking love these jeans. If you don't know, Weekday is my favorite store. They just really personify Well, it personifies one part of my style, which is this grungy, like utilitarian, but super classic style. So I really love Weekday, and you can find Weekday in the States. But yeah, so I'm going to show you these guys. And then next up, I'm just gonna show you 2 pairs of shoes. These are some mules that I got, slip-in mules that I got from H&M last summer, I believe, or spring. I wore these a lot last year. I didn't really wear them this much this year. I actually think this is the last season I'm gonna keep these because they are really scuffed at the toes. I just noticed that cheaper shoes just don't hold up that long. So now I have decided that I'm gonna really try to focus on buying higher quality shoes, just so that I can get that wear out of them. So speaking about high quality shoes, I am going to also style my Acne boots. I finally got them fixed. I had to get them resoled completely on the bottom. That cost me about 50 euro to get them resoled, but they are like new and I'm so happy. And of course these boots were not cheap, but I've had these boots now for 3-4 years and they still look like this. They're amazing. So this is what I mean about buying higher quality stuff and just paying to get them, you know, resoled or just polished up. You know, I also keep cedar insoles inside as well, just so that they keep their shape. I don't know why I keep going on my tippy toes, so if I keep going up and down, just, I'm sorry, ignore it. I think I'm just like overly excited right now. Anywho, I have now shown you the 10 items and I'm gonna jump right into styling them. So let me show you my first outfit. This is my outfit. I mean, unfortunately you can't really see me, my whole outfit with this view, the camera view, but you can see my reflection in the mirror. So I hope that helps a little bit. But I have paired my white top with my Row jeans. They are a really lovely fit. You can see me, the full frontal from the mirror, hopefully. But yeah, this is just a simple outfit that I would wear. I would wear this to work. I would wear this going to meet my friends. I would just wear this just out and about. I feel really chic. I have it on with my leather beret that I picked up from in other stories. I will be wearing this hat all throughout fall. It's gonna be nice to protect my hair while it's raining. I styled it with this guy. And then, of course, you might have remembered this little purse that I picked up. I believe I talked about this again in that sustainable haul video that I did earlier this summer. So yeah, this is outfit number 1. And I'm just gonna go ahead and switch my tops and take it on to outfit number 2. I still have on those same Weekday Row jeans, and then I put on that H&M top, the long sleeve one with the lovely little flounce here. I really just love this outfit. It's super simple. You know me, I love t-shirts and t-shirt paired with jeans. And then I have on my Acne boots. I don't think you can really see them, but maybe you can see them in the mirror over there. I'll figure this out. Just give me some time to finesse this. But yeah, just some black boots. But I would also pair this with my blazer just to elevate it a little bit. I just think it looks a little bit more chic with this blazer on. So just over the shoulder like this, or of course I could just stick my arms through, just wear it oversized. You can see me like this from the front. It's just super simple, super chic, you know. I don't know where my little purse went, but I would wear the same purse. Just a really simple outfit, but chic. It's kind of like taken up to the next level with the pairing of this leather beret and then of course this blazer. So this outfit is a little dressier. I paired my nice leopard dress on top of this H&M long sleeve top, and I kept on the beret. To be honest, I think this beret is gonna be in every outfit because I just think it's so chic. And I will say this probably in every video. Everything I buy needs to look good with majority of my wardrobe. So when I bought this beret with intention, and it was not cheap. I paid, I believe, 50 euro for that, so let's say 60 bucks for this beret. So I knew I needed to get some wear out of it, so I'm very happy with the purchase. Back to this outfit. I love this outfit. I think pretty much every outfit that I'm showing you I really like, and this is why I love 10 by 10s, because you really fall in love with all of your clothes because you see just how versatile each piece is. So 2 things that you probably wouldn't think to pair together a long sleeve shirt, and a dress on top of it. So I just love this combination. It works. And I also paired it with my Acne boots. Again, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it's just a really cute girly outfit. So this outfit, I just still have on that long sleeve black and white tank with my beloved blazer. This time I decided to cinch the waist in with a belt, a really long belt that I had, and then of course I paired it with my lovely bike shorts, and then I threw on my little mules, and then, you know, of course the beret. I again think that this is such a lovely outfit, and here is a rule breaker for you. You don't have to match your belt with your shoes, you know, you can definitely have fun. Just make sure that it just looks good together, but don't worry about being so matchy-matchy. Borrow an oversized blazer from your boyfriend or your partner. Just go buy a really big one from the Goodwill, secondhand store, whatever you want to call it. On to the next outfit. I have on my boyfriend's button-down shirt. And then I just have one side tucked into these little bike shorts, and I kept on my mules. So this is just really simple, not much styling. I tend to like my sleeves like this. I don't know, it's just my personal thing. Of course, if you don't like it, you don't have to do yours that way. You know, you can always do a little sloppy cuff. I just don't think everything should be so prim and proper. Usually I leave my buckles undone, the buttons rather. Another thing, I just have two buttons buttoned, but of course I can just like let it go off the shoulder, take this out, you know, just to make it a little bit more sexy. I think this is really cute. If I want to class it up all the way, I would put this blazer on again, just maybe over the shoulders, and then I would take this and tie it just to give it a little bit of pizzazz, you know? So there's so many ways of like adding some snazziness to an outfit. These are my little tricks. So I paired my boyfriend's top with my weekday jeans, just very classic button down jeans combo outfit with, again, my Acne boots. I don't know why I keep lifting my leg like that. And I left the back untucked and the front tucked in. I don't know, I keep moving, but I feel so cute. So yeah, this is, again, another favorite. I think at this point I need to stop saying they're my favorites, because all of the outfit combinations are just really freaking good. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm really excited. But yeah, I think you've seen enough of this, so I will move on. So I'm in my black wrap top with my gray blazer, of course, trusty beret, and then the same weekday road jeans with my Acne boots. I guess you can see them in the reflection back here. This outfit is just super casual, really cute. Actually, let's grab the purse. I just think this outfit just works for so many different places and events, and it's just cute and cozy. Anywho, so yeah, this is just exactly how I would wear this. And of course, this is the 10 by 10, but you could just substitute literally any top in here and it will look good. It's like a fail-proof outfit. So this outfit is just all black, everything. I really look like a Black Pantherette, which I'm okay with. So this is more so a layer. I think I would definitely throw on the blazer again. So this is a way of just wearing like a blazer as a top, which is another one of my favorite things to do. And this is the outfit. I'm really loving these outfits, and I just think each one has been just better than the previous one. Usually with my 10 by 10s, there's always like 2 or 3 outfits that I'm not really feeling. But you know, since I'm only limited to 10 items, I have to just do what I have to do. But this has been pretty much the most foolproof 10 by 10 that I think I've ever done. I think there was one other one that I did several seasons ago that I also really love. But this one so far is just great, because I just love this outfit. I mean, literally throw on a heel with this outfit, a boot, a tennis shoe, I mean, it works with everything. And of course, if you're not like really into the muted tones like I am, you know, this would look good in a red or a print or a, you know, bold, like whatever your style, you can make it your own. But this is like a foolproof outfit in my opinion. So in this outfit, I still have on my bike shorts. Let me scoot over so you can see in the mirror. With my white button down, my beret, and then I have on my mules, as you can see back here. I wore this outfit a lot already in the summer as well. Like I said, I have a photo on my Instagram, so you should definitely check that out. Make sure to give me a follow. So this top was a really great purchase. Very happy with the quality of some of the items that I've been buying lately, as well as the versatility. So I'm gonna keep this white top on and then style it with a few other items. So I have on my beautiful flouncy leopard dress, and I wanted it to act like a skirt. I think it looks cool. I have it on with my mules, and of course my trusty bag. I took the beret off, though the beret would look really cool. Matter of fact, you know, I should have just kept it on. I don't know why I took it off. It's just really chic, right? I mean, God, I love this beret. It's funny because I have another one that I got when I was in Thailand, but I have not worn it because it got wrinkled and I don't know how to straighten it out. So I need to figure that out because that one was not cheap. But this is this outfit. I'm feeling chic. I feel like I'm going to the French Riviera. I don't know. I haven't been there, so it's just in my imagination. I am now going to pair this dress with another top, and it's going to be a little bit more grungy. I think this is so cute. I love the clashing of prints with this combination here. I wanted to just do a little bit of a half tuck, and that way it's also acting like a skirt again. I switched my mules for my Acne boots, and yeah, I just think this is really chic. I would probably wear a watch. Let me go and grab it. All right, I just grabbed it. This is my Nordgreen watch, which I absolutely freaking love, and I wear with everything. Such high quality. If you don't know about Nordgreen, you definitely need to go and check them out. I'll leave a link in my description box below. But their whole ethos is just so great. This watch was gifted, by the way. Anywho, so this is the outfit. I am completely out of breath from going up and down those damn stairs. But I think this outfit is really cute and chic and kind of girly, but kind of grungy. It's just something different for when I just want to be a little extra feminine, you know? I don't know if I would wear this purse. Let's see what it looks like. Yes. See, this is just cute. Guys, really think about the stuff you're buying and if it's gonna go with everything in your wardrobe. Because just look at this. I just threw random stuff that I already had together and I came up with this amazing outfit. So I think I just have one more outfit to show you, and then I'm going to wrap up this extra long video. So this is the last outfit. So I turned the dress around and then I put this blazer on top of it, and then I put my mules back on, and of course I just left on the beret. But this one is just definitely something that I would go out in, you know, go out for drinks with the girls, with my boyfriend. I just think this is really cute, and I think it's a great way to end the lookbook. All right, so that is the end of this 10 by 10 video. Please let me know if you like me combining the two into one video. I just think this is probably easier and smoother, even though it's probably a little bit longer. Also, let me know which outfit was your favorite. I pretty much love them all. There was definitely some really like top contenders, but I think this was one of my best 10 by 10s, and I'm just so happy that my wardrobe is finally in a place where I'm just loving everything I have and can just mix and match random things and just get really amazing outfits. Anywho, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and to subscribe if you haven't. I will see you in the comments below and in the next video. Bye.